In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tasks in Asana. Whether you're fine-tuning a project or clearing up confusion for your team, knowing how to quickly update a task in Asana keeps work moving smoothly. We'll walk through opening a task, updating its title, changing the assignee and due date, and polishing the description so everyone has the right context. Start by opening the task. In your project or My Tasks view, click the task name. This opens the details pane, typically on the right side of your screen. Think of this pane as the command center for that task. It's where you see everything at a glance and make changes without navigating away. If you click a different task name, the pane will update to show that one instead, so it's easy to jump between items. Next, edit the task name. Click directly on the title at the top of the details pane. The title will become editable so you can type a clearer, action-oriented name. Aim for something specific and outcome-focused, like Draft Q2 report outline, rather than something vague. Keep it short but meaningful. The title should make the task's purpose instantly obvious to anyone scanning the list. When you click away, Asana saves your change automatically. There's no separate save button to hunt down. Now, adjust ownership and timing. Click the assignee icon to choose who is responsible for completing the task. Assign the person who will actually do the work, not just the person overseeing it, so responsibility is unmistakable. Then click the due date icon to set or update the deadline. Pick a realistic date that aligns with your project timeline and any dependencies. Updating the assignee or due date helps the right people get notified and keeps schedules accurate, which prevents last-minute scrambles. Finally, update the description. Click into the description field and add or edit the text. Use this space to provide context that helps someone complete the task without chasing extra details. Clarify the goal, scope, and any key requirements, include links to relevant documents or assets, and write out acceptance criteria so it's obvious what done looks like. If there are a few important notes, keep them concise and organized in short paragraphs. The more specific you are here, the fewer back and forth messages your team will need later. That's all it takes. Open the task, refine the title, confirm the assignee and due date, and strengthen the description. These small edits make a big difference in clarity, accountability, and on-time delivery.